Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math. Today we're doing lesson 29, order and matching dot cards from 1 to 10, and we're doing one more. And we are going to do our workbook pages, and you will do this gingerbread measuring with me at math at 12. So first thing, if you need to pause, you need to go get your flashcard ring that has your numbers, and on the back it has your cluster cards. So I'm going to take my ring apart. If you need to pause the video to go get your materials, please go do that now, because the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is take out 1 to 10 and your sets below, and we're going to match. So first I want to line them up in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to be able to fit all the way across. You can line yours up straight on a table. I'm going to do mine like a 10 frame. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And your line, so I lined them up in order from 1 to 10, which I'd like to see you do. And take your time if you need to pause at any time. And then I want you to match your clusters. So you're going to take out your cluster cards. You can tell which one is more here, which one has the most on this. We either have 1 or this one that has 10. And you're going to say, okay, so this one's smaller, and I know it matches up to 1. I'm going to put it right on top. If you didn't know this was 10, I want you to look for your cluster of 5 at the top and circle it with your finger. 5, 5, 10, and put it on top of the 10. And do the same for every cluster that you pull. How many here? Good. 4 goes on top of 4. 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might not have even had to count that one. You guys are really good with that one. Ooh, this one, circle that cluster of 5 with your finger. 5 and 2 up top. Do you remember? 5 and 2 is 7. You know this one. 5. Good. Right on top. I'm going to hold it up high so you can see. Circle that group of 5 on the bottom, and there's still 3 more up top. So I know 5 and 3 makes 8. How many here? 3. Good work. Easy peasy. 2. And then my last one must be, the only one I have left is number 9, but I'll check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it shows this way. You see 9 hearts. You see 8 hearts. 1 more is 9. I like how that cluster does it. So now I've matched my 1 to 10. I'm going to sort them back into my nice organized stacks, and you can too. Practice putting them back in order, 1 to 10 after you're done, starting with 1 all the way to 10. And then count all the way up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to be doing a little bit of practicing with writing our number. So you have 1, you write the number 1 in the box, and then draw the same number below. 1. How many here? 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2 down below. It's going to make a nice staircase going this way. Oh, you know what? Mrs. Osmer made a mistake. I'm supposed to start at the bottom. I did know that. Going up. So 1 at the bottom. 2. That means 3 is going to be here. Just like we practiced on our morning work, actually. Around the tree, around the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tracing it, and then do number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how that goes up in sequence? Just like our staircase that I have with my rods, and I can line them up right on top. I have 2, 3, 5, 4. Just pulling them out as I get them. I didn't do that in order. And then I can touch each one as I say it. You can too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does not want to stay. I'm going to squeeze them together to do a little look at like how they look like. This staircase is similar to that. It goes up one more each time. So here, draw one, or count the objects of balloons and draw one more. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have to count, you can. 4. Draw one more. Now how many? That's right, 5. Count. 6. Good. Draw one more. How many now? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw one more. Good. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Draw one more. A loop and a line makes a number 9. Good. So let's do a little bit of practice with that. Here's my cluster. 1, 1. What is one more? One more than here. If I added one more, I would have 2. What's one more than 2? So here we go. 2 and one more. Remember? Nope, not 4. Good. 2 plus one more equals 3. 3 plus one more. If I have 3 and I add one more dot, 4. I move that right underneath. 3 and one more makes 4. You guys are really always know this one. 4 and one more, 5. What color rod is 5? Yellow. Nice work. And it looks the same this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more each time we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. We will practice this some more at live at math. See you at 12.